Good morning everyone, I am Samruddh Jr. from ISC Department of Second Year. I'm gonna speak few words about be the change you wish to be. Mahatma Gandhi ji this was stated by Mahatma Gandhi ji, the great fighter of India. His quotes are the great inner meaning and coming with a few words. This quote was stated with very positive attitude, and he always mean to say to the youth of India. Indian youth always think this in a negative way. No, it is not in a negative way. Be the change you wish to be is always directly proportional to the way you develop, the way you grow. When it comes to growth, I'd like to give my own example. The change I wish to be on the communication skill of mine. When I graduated my higher primary, I was in an English medium school, but combined with the people who speak non-English. Also in the pre-university, they were more about the concepts rather than the communication skill. When I entered my engineering, I was surprisingly surrounded with the people who talk English standardly and more confidently. I thought it was my failure when I initially went to the engineering college. As I started speaking, as I started learning, they influenced me a lot in learning the communication. Now I don't think I'll say I am expert in English, but yeah, I am improved a lot. I have changed a lot. I wished my change. I achieved my goal. By this, I would like to say, be the change you wish to be. In quotes, only positive changes. Thank you.
My name is Sanchita. I'm here to talk about be the change you wish to see. Although life is inevitable, we need to add on few personal changes to our life in order to get challenges in our life. These challenges may make us a better person of who we are today. Like day and night, tide and time, everything in the world changes. The seconds changes are indispensable. The person who learns to adapt changes in a life may work smarter on it, but the person who brings the changes in their own life creates a history in it. Mahatma Gandhi quoted that we should be the change we want to see. By this, he tried conveying that instead of facing the world with fear, bring the change in yourself which seems to be right to us in order to face the world. We have the opportunity to transform fear to courage, selfishness to kindness, and loss to a new beginning. No one can get a change in our life. We need to initiate it by our own self. The change we do it for ourselves might be in a better way or can worsen us. But that doesn't mind. We need to get a change in ourselves. No one can find a better day for us. We need to wake up, have a positive mind, smile off, and start the day better. As we all know, there's COVID-19 all over the world. That doesn't mean we have to overthink about it or think it's going to affect us. We need to have a positive mind, face the situation with courage, and hope for the better. Take an example of palm tree, which transforms from muddy rainwater to sweet coconut milk. Initially, when the seeds are planted in the underground, it takes certain period of time, undergoes certain changes, and then is visible to us in form of a palm tree, which later in turn gives us thunder coconut. Likewise, we need to adapt changes in our life for a betterment. So by this, I would like to conclude that when we change ourselves, the tendencies in the world will also change. Once the man changes his lifestyle, the attitude of the world looking at him will also change. So be the change you wish to see. Thank you.
My name is Sangeeta. My USN is 1NH 189S096. I'm going to talk about be the change you want to see. What we are today is not what we were last year, last week, yesterday, or even a minute ago. Life never stands still, no matter what we do. Change is the nature's very existence of our thoughts, beliefs, ideas, and our relationships are also changeable as rain and sunshine or day and night. But as much as change is inevitable, it is not always welcome or easy to deal with. It also adds upsets to our world and also brings many conflict feelings. However, to those very moments when everything looks hopeless, then we have a real chance to grow into something better. Like caterpillars, at the end of the world we call them as butterflies. To journey to those transformation, all we need is to stepping back our fear, anger, grief, and take a breath before our emotions take over. Then we have to ensure to pass those feelings which are enormous, important, or overwhelming, stay the same. Um, Given time, which are vital to us now, may soon lose its relevance as thoughts come and go, as our feelings rise and fall like a waves, as physical, emotional, and mental pain is felt and then gone. We see those coming and going implies to everything, like even our breath, to the sense of those rhythm tells us that as long as we wait for something, even the darkest of time will pass away. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Sanjana from 4th SEM IC department and I'm here to share my thoughts on be the change you wish to see. This quote simply means that we have control over only our actions and we cannot exert any kind of control over others' thoughts. As we all know, like day and night and time and tide, there are so many changes happening around us in the world every second. We should learn to adapt to changes. Change is inevitable, and we as humans should learn to accept the changes around us. One who learns to adapt to change is smart, and one who creates or initiates a personal change can rise above the problem and be a better person. However, we all think that we can control the changes around us and change the way people behavior to see a change around us, which is not true. If we want to see a change in a place, we should do it first for ourselves. If we want others to follow a good habit, we should follow the good habit first for ourselves. For example, if we are punctual, we can teach the value of punctuality to others. This is how others learn to adapt to change, or this is how they accept change. Seeing us exhibit certain qualities has a remarkable ability into inspiring others into imitating us. And even if change is not immediate, we can take pride in ourselves that we had the strength and dignity to start a change we wish to see. So I would like to conclude my speech by telling that this quote, be the change you wish to see, does three powerful things in this world. First of all, it stops us from judging others. Second of all, it stops us from complaining about others' action and focusing on ourselves. And thirdly, it makes us take control over the only thing in the world which we have direct control over, that is ourselves. Thank you.
My name is Saveen from 4th semester B section and my topic is be the change that you wish to see. Also, the first thing that jumps into your mind is the famous be the change that you wish to see. It's a good quote. It's enough to fit onto a bumper sticker and that resonates deeply with something inside us or which tells us that it points to something very valuable and true. But like so many other bumper stickers that we see floating around today, these words were never being spoken by the people they are attributed to. And I would like to quote which was said by Mahatma Gandhi. He says, if we could change ourselves, the tendencies around the world would also change. That's how be the change that we wish to see tends to be interpreted today. It's a line which is commonly regurgitated in our society and now it has become a cliche and meaningless. And sometimes that we see around the malls like the keychains, which is not being like really observed and people just scan over without really reading but assume you understand because you've seen it so many times before. So I would also like to say that something like, if it is pressed to really thinking about it, most people will say it means something like make the change that you wish to see or which you want to be. Right? So if you don't like, for an example, if you don't like factory farming, we can become a vegan. And if you don't like poverty, become a volunteer in a soup kitchen. So finally, to conclude, I would like to give a few points which I really want to say. So the first point is, I want people to be more collaborative rather than being competitive. I want to see people giving up their tribalism and embracing their humanism. And third point is, I want to see people loving themselves deeply enough to love others meaningfully with a clear eyes. And last, I want to say that I want people to tell the truth even if the first it's only to themselves. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Charan from ISC Department second year. Today I am speaking about be the change that you should be see in the world. Change is always permanent in this world. The only thing that cannot be controlled is change. But we can always take efforts to bring about the right kind of change in the world. Mahatma Gandhi said, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." This means that we must set an example and implement the right kind of changes in order to make the world a beautiful place. In other words, if we want to see a change in a place, we should be the one do it for ourselves. When we want others to follow a good habit and we insist on it, first of all, we should follow that habit. For example, only when we are punctual, we can teach others on values of punctuality. That is how others will accept the change. If we are not perfect enough to insist on a change, the person on the opposite side will not listen to us. A teacher can bring a good academic score in all students only when she to bring a change in what we believe. Others will believe. Teach as well. When we are brave enough to bring about a change in what we believe, others will believe.